Welcome to SONITECH YouTube channel. Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF file into a Word document in 2 minutes so that you can easily edit and work with your PDF content. So let's get dive into the video. Here is our PDF file. If you open it, you can see it got a lot of text and 1, 2 and 3 total pages. In order to convert this PDF file into a Word document, let's minimize the screen and try to open Microsoft Word. Now don't click on the blank document, just click on the open icon on your left. And now just browse and locate your PDF file that you want to convert as Word. Here is our PDF file. Just click on the open. A pop-up will appear like this. Word now will convert your PDF file into an editable Word document. Just double click on the OK icon. Here we go. PDF file has been successfully converted into a Word document now. You can change the view and have a check on your converted Word document now. After the checks, it's time to save our Word document. Just click on the file, go to Save As, just click on Browse and choose your location where you want to save your Word document. Just enter the name of your new Word file and make sure that in Save As type, Word document is selected. Once everything is done, just hit on the Save button. If you go back to your desktop, you can see this is the new converted Word file, so click to open it. So this is how you can convert your PDF file into a Word document. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. And do subscribe to my channel for more updates.